Thank you very, very much for your overwhelming hospitality to me this morning. My presence here today, as well as my pink blouse, is a tribute to this campus. I will never decline an invitation, no matter how busy I am, from this particular campus. You have always shown me the heights and depths of the idealism of the young Philippines that we meet today. And in addition, you have a long and distinguished history. This campus is part of Philippine history. It was established in 1933. Today, you have 3 campuses here in Manila, in Makati, and Malolos. And very soon, we will have 3 more campuses in Baguio, in Cebu, and Davao. Down a speaking invitation, no matter how busy I am, or even if I'm engrossed in one of my spectacular battles against corruption in politics, because this is the university, the great campus of Centro Escolar University. I'm not going to give you any more pick-up lines. Since I did that, the ladies and gentlemen in the campuses of Metro Manila have been picking each other up. And now there is great danger of a population explosion. That is why I fought so hard for the RH law. But today instead, I will try and give you some advice because I'm not only a mother, I'm also a grandmother. Here are the words of advice. Kung may mahal ka, ipaglaban mo. Pero, kung dalawa ang mahal mo, paglabanin mo sila. Kasi, alam na ninyo, minsan ang pag-ibig ay parang siopaw. Bola-bola lang. Here are some messages from my political enemies. Good news, wala ka ng pimples. Bad news, dahil wala ka ng space. Minsan itong kalaban kong matanda, dahil milig manligaw yan eh. Hanggang ngayon. Minsan nanligaw at sinabihan niya yung babae, nasa dugo talaga namin ang pagiging gwapo. At sabi naman ng babae, bakit sa dugo lang? Bakit hindi napunta sa mukha? Siguro feel-am ka. Kasi feelingera ka na, ambisyosa ka pa. Oh, kung kalaban ko naman ay babae, sabihan ko ng, ang ganda mo ay parang PLDT. Parang pang long distance. Natatakot ka o natatawa ka? Boyfriend, may ibibigay akong gift sa iyo pero hulaan mo. Itong Pasko, hindi ba? Binigyan ng lahat ng senador ng halos 2 milyon maliban ko. Boyfriend, may ibibigay akong gift sa iyo pero hulaan mo. Girlfriend, bigyan mo naman ako ng clue. Boyfriend, kailangan ito ng leeg mo. Girlfriend, kwintas. Boyfriend, hindi, panghilot. Student, ma'am, kumusta po ba ang grades ko? Professor, aba iha, kasing ganda ng buhok mo. Parang bagong ribbon. Bagsak na bagsak.